come to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at you, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, the not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence. In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories. Welcome to True Island Story. This is part 2 of the Little Black Story, volume 3. Now, notice, quick public announcement. Some of the badness with the baller when name Irving English. I did some corrections on it in this series, so follow closely, see? All who correct me in the comment section, especially the Grimmer tell me say mask or brother drop and who end up drop before who. I saw it, and I just want to let you know I respect and appreciate, your correction, and I went and did my homework. So how men can do him thing, when me get it wrong, I don't blame who give me the story. I take all the blame, and I'm not afraid to admit it and correct it. Yeah, man. That's why I love when you see me do anything wrong, correct me, because guess what? I'm not perfect. And only with corrections and respectful, constructive criticism have I been able to and will continue to build this community. Remember, it's not for me, it's for you guys. You help me to grow this wonderful community to where we are now currently and heading towards 100K pretty soon. Oh my God, thank you guys so much, and I promise I want to give you all a special badness for 100K celebration. So if you don't have no badness, you don't want to send me or you don't want to work, and I don't have no info, let me know. But remember, only drop already, right? No live. And know this, you can always DM me and correct me on Trial and IG as well, man. And give me your version that you think or maybe no is correct. Good, sir? Good, sir. Alright, we begin. Now, this is the Rich Lane, Ashoka Road, OC, Shellyann Fraser Avenue, because them name Ashoka Road, Shellyann Fraser Road or Shellyann Fraser Avenue. Yeah, man, Waterhouse badness, 4 corner, fully dark, night again, Halloween and middle day dark. When the great looks man say, all when light gone, nah man na light na kanga. Nah man na light na lamp. All when mosquito and yam them up in a swamp, the dog say, nah man turn a destroyer. What me say? No, all when the dog want smoke him spliff. The man say, yo, me even want light it, dog. All when the light in a hotel, the man say, hey girl, don't draw no car. Browning, see a tin a paint a black. Darkness me thing there. Well, never hear about looks man 10 commandment. You ask one at night time can glam. You ask can it glam? My email just say midnight, When you think him mean darkness. Bring here. Rowan McFarlane, OC Brown Chops, OC Pumpy, and Ryan Pembridge, OC Little Blacks. Boy, that story, yeah. Rowan McFarlane, OC Chops, Brown Chops, OC Pumpy, was born on May 16th, 1985, and fell, sadly, on September the 15th, 2019. R.I.P. youth. Now, these two delinquent demons were dons in their own right. One was loved and respected and included in that same sentence, grudged by some. Ryan led with an iron fist, but in actuality, he was just an outcast in a system ruled by royalty bloodlines from way back, a bloodline's name that drove fear into all and sundry. The Moscow bloodline, with their king being none other than the great Ian Moscow, who is now currently incarcerated in America, serving a multiple life sentences for offenses against the state that ranges from murder, druggers, racketeering, bubble up headings, keckle up pioneers, you name it, they convicted him on it. But the story is not about Ian now, is it? No. Ian will eventually have his day on this esteemed platform. So anybody have Ian upon the ground badness or foreign badness, any OG, any elderly than pilgrim, ink up, hear that. But lone badness down a Waterhouse, chops the love little blacks like our Pampas love BL00D. He used to give blacks bacon shot knockings. Chops OC Pumpy originate from round a mall roadside there, so. A one ninja man badness. Living on free food ticket. Not a money in my pocket, not a spend. Me no want no what me I go do. Me not go rap. Me not go rap. You understand? Remember, you know, when Pumpy end up dropping up on a Shuka road, I'm going to part of that in the Irving English 2-part series. So you can go check that out. When you finish, you never watch it. When him dropping that a chops in a blacks come on, they come back living in a water, you know, and mark a X in a dirt and swear to the deathless God say, any grim we're valve in I'm friend dirt things that go get it. I see by the next day, yo, the man turned around in a ghost town. He brought the retribution of hell unto them that were valved or unvalved. He introduced Namco pour unto their entanglements, because they had to atone for their sins for what they have done, not with cash nor coin. No, he collected their penance in blood. Inshallah montatin gorsali, one trag sing naka baka crab baka maka fata. Crab shit japazali sali. When me say blacks bring the badness to them round there in a Latin. Yo, una keeper, runway, una blind, worse, dead. Alright. This is how me I forgive blacks the ratings over Duxie, you know, finally, you know. I miss part one with the epic race. Check it out. I like. Who you see all book about this, but trust me, I didn't pick blacks lightly. I mean, one night time grim them go bona fire upon daddy menke, but the facts they there. You think why me give blacks the edge now? Remember, blacks are bad with one and you know, and 1 foot from a taller time, you know, in a sense when we say 1 foot. We soon get to this. Remember, blacks are bad with one and in a 1 foot and still a shoot venom from police and soldiers head seal intermediate in a man. Alright. You see the way the people them love all chops now. Me I tell you, car chops used to keep the place lively away, you know. Be a dance, streets, money, theater parties come through and be a celebrity, rich badness, and chops arms up the whole place. That's why when time the first done now that I want I must go come back in a place, you know, I want to come run back in place, you know. Brown chops drop up a quarter pound and go so hot, you want to hang away. Nice and easy squeeze Sunday morning, early cars no riot and send go up the road, go give them. And them say, I dare say you cry, go. Alright, someone. You earn man. You had man. Outside me there. Outside, no more inside. Outside me there. Well, until he wasn't done. Blacks did have a link on Richie Road, you know, that are the lane or Spanish Town Road where can lead you back to White Lane. It they cross from Ray and Nephew. Basically, blacks do want the lane for run off. Got too much money around if you make years from extortion. You see me, with the amount of factory off a Spanish Town Road there, so. And they must say that gonna fight against one of like gonna dope skateboard and Jubilee bucket. How much money they have to make? Black still have to stop move like monkey pop brother and bring his silver back gorilla badness and rest ground there. You see me? Anyways, Chops never, you know, impede him car Chops thing it up the road anyway and rate blacks, you see me, so make blacks do him I do. So now the baller that a Irving in English, him did a slap a girl we living at the same lane. So the man him go so book now and move to our brother that a Eddie Bop, who was a main vein in the system round there. Real old top flickers pan the trappy. One day in a man, the man them dopey bite them and the man them go so boof and move to Eddie Bop in a wheel off and so what's up in a man and squeeze out every seed out the panima. And steam out Eddie Bop core, you know. But guess what? He made never bone off. Eddie had the luck of the draw on the day. The Reaper did that come from Rona, Knockney, Palaron Bar. So, in go on the jungle, but I said, oh, that's that dirty foot give say, Eddie back, oh boss, Ronaldo, now kick him where? And the Reaper said, Eddie, Eddie, but you're not the public list, man. What am I check? You don't say, I hate it, who my finger for? That's Christ. Oh, this baby man. He wants to murder me. Hold on. Stick up it. Did you know that? My boss is gonna murder me. Did you know that? Did you know that? I don't want to make a flash and get it from her. And that freaking butt, and you know, she's a freaking sucker. And I don't like drinking certain common water and rolling up. Bring it ready. I gotta love you and leave you, okay? See you in about a week and a half, okay? And the people that might look like, wait, did he just say a week and a half? You know, it's not all look good for Eddie. Bring me here. Eddie Bob, gateway. Yeah man, Eddie Bob Sophie. So, them carry Eddie Bob go hospital and them patch him up. But remember what I said about Black, how he was slippers and healing Vaseline. I wasn't lying, because thinking more say, hold on, we not reached this yet. Me no want rushy brush and brokey bristle. Yes, when time Eddie Bob go hospital, him say, no man can't check me. I don't know how to kick me up. And the fussy can come cool up my badness and run me out to my place when I play in the chickens. Oh man, my brain used to me in summer all the time, so I'm like chokings that can't do me now. And the man goes boom and forward out of the hospital in a man. I spit him and them spit pan him and them kick him up badness in a man. The man goes so and return to the same place where them call him up, go try recuperate in a axe, wrong move, rally. We've come to the end of part 2 of the Brown Chaps, OC Pump House and Liquor Blacks, the Hackney Sona Waterhouse. Join us for part 3 of volume 2 coming soon on the True Island Stories channel. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, we are going to run a Waterhouse in a minute, because we have Shabba Badness versus Tanta Blacks. Capture versus Westbox Badness. But son of a desert. Good. Alright. Well, good state of trouble. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might in the Bench Island Stories walk. Well, you choose
I am Joy.
Pepper, you know the real J-thing, huh? How we grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buck, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, we not do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know a wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption, I saw the ground rough, yeah. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, I see the said someone one head man will live long. Name one, things forever bury with not done. Name one, one good honest politician. Name one, and get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy. Who no boy, who from your soul don't know a wrong boy. Yo, a man better go. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and go. Pointed on him head back and go. Pop off him strap on him friend them for door. None of that, yo, a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Eight of crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging, oh, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, yo, we live in it. Get rich, I do special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, blood the cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we full of, hey, and we know we friends back from the boy, I wanna do that. Oh, no, can't tell we jar, oh, no, oh, from here, so we don't know around. Yup, now I'm man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and go. Point it on him head back and blow. Pop off him strap on him friend him for blow. None of that, yo, a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, red from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said song. One wanted man will live long. Name one, brings a fella with no name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Can't kill with your on the back. Move from your soul, don't know where I'm going. Yo, a man better go. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and go. Point it on him head back and go. Pop off him strap on him friend him do it. None of that to the top. Yo, you know the thing going on, set a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Boy, man. To them pepper.